New numbers show that the pretrial provisions established by the Safety Act are working mostly as intended so far, according to DuPage County States Attorney Bob Berlin. The controversial legislation was just one of many topics Berlin discussed on Thursday evening during a public safety update at the Cantigny Park Visitors Center.
The goal is to only detain those defendants that are a threat to the community or a threat to flee the jurisdiction. They're not going to show up in court. And I think that's happening to a large degree, with the exception of some offenses where judges don't have discretion.
The law eliminating cash bail in Illinois first went into effect on September 18th. From that day through October 30th, the DuPage County States Attorney's Office filed 178 petitions to detain defendants awaiting trial. 84, or nearly half, were granted. Of the 84 petitions that were granted, 38 were related to cases involving domestic battery or violation of an order of protection. Berlin says that prior to the Safety Act, the majority of defendants in these situations would post bond and be released.
I think our judges are using their discretion appropriately. The violent criminals, the people that are really a danger to the community, are in fact being detained. And those who can be safely released are getting released. That's the way the law is supposed to work.
Besides the Safety Act, the state's attorney also discussed the downturn of violent crimes in DuPage County. Year-over-year numbers show that carjackings, aggravated robberies, and armed robberies are on the decline.
I think the reason they're down is because we're prosecuting those cases and we're sending a message that we don't tolerate violent crime.
Berlin credits specialized courts in the county as being a big contributor to the positive numbers. He says they're leading to a reduction in recidivism for first-time nonviolent offenders.
We have some great restorative justice programs to help those people, get them back on their feet and get them back into the community and become productive members of society.
Thursday's event was the latest offering of the Civic Awareness Series, hosted jointly by Cantigny and the Wheaton League of Women Voters. You can see the full public safety presentation and past civic awareness forums by visiting the League of Women Voters website or Facebook page. For Naperville News 17, I'm Dylan Saraki.